This is the right lung. This is the sharp anterior border, the apex, the costal surface, the mediastinal surface, smooth posterior border or surface, smooth posterior surface. This is base or the diaphragmatic surface. Alright, now we've got three lobes. This is the upper lobe. This is all the inferior lobe or the lower lobe, and this is the middle lobe. We've got two fissures. This is the oblique fissure, and this is the transverse fissure. This is nothing to worry about. This is hilum or root of the right lung. This is the pulmonary ligament. Now we've got some structures here. This is the superior or the upper right lower bronchus. This is the inferior or the lower right lower bronchus. This very large structure is the pulmonary artery, and all the others are pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins. Now about the grooves or the depressions of the right lung. This is depression for the right atrium. This is for superior vena cava. This is for azygous vein. This is for inferior vena cava. This is for esophagus. This is the left lung. This is its position in the body. This is the sharp anterior border or surface. Here we've got the lingula, this lobe. This lobe is called the lingula, and this notch is called the cardiac notch for the heart. Cardiac notch. This is the apex. This is the costal surface. It meets the ribs. This is base or the diaphragmatic surface. This is the mediastinal surface. Mediastinum, okay, mediastinal surface, and this is the smooth posterior surface. We've got two lobes only, the superior or the upper lobe, the inferior or the lower lobe, and we've got only one fissure, the oblique fissure. This is hilum or root of the left lung. This is the pulmonary ligament. This is the left main bronchus. Okay, the branches, which are the upper and lower or superior and inferior left bronchi or lower bronchi, are inside the left lung. So this is the left main bronchus. This and this are the pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries. This and this are pulmonary veins. Left main bronchus, pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins. Depressions or grooves of the left lung. This is depression for the left ventricle. From the left ventricle we've got aorta. So this is depression for the ascending aorta. This is depression for the arch of aorta. This is depression for the descending thoracic aorta. From the arch of aorta, we've got two branches. Posteriorly, we've got the left subclavian artery, and in front or anteriorly, we've got the left common carotid artery. Groove for the left subclavian artery, groove for the left common carotid artery. This is the right lung, three lobes, upper, middle, lower. Two fissures, oblique fissure, transverse fissure. Apex, costal surface, base or diaphragmatic surface, mediastinal surface, posterior surface, sharp anterior border. This is hilum or roots. This is the right main bronchus, dividing into some branches. This is the superior right lower bronchus, and this is the inferior right lower bronchus, and the middle is not obvious here. These are the pulmonary veins, and these are the pulmonary arteries. This is the left lung, the anterior sharp border, the costal surface. This is the linguala. This is the cardiac notch. The right lung, 3 lobes, upper, middle, and lower lobes, 2 fissures, the oblique and transverse fissures. This is the left lung, this is the linguala, and this is the cardiac notch. This is the upper and lower lobes, and this is the oblique fissure.